Welcome to this backtesting video of Golden Million EA, the powerful auto trading robot designed for consistent profits. In this test, we are running the EA on every tick, using real tick data to get the most accurate and realistic results possible. The starting balance is only $50, and the goal is to see how the robot performs under such a small deposit. As the test runs, you can see the robot automatically opening and closing trades with precision, following its smart algorithm without emotions or stress. The results are truly impressive. From just a $50 deposit, Golden Million EA was able to generate more than $16,000 in profit. The equity curve shows stable and consistent growth with low drawdown, proving the reliability of this strategy under real market conditions. This demonstrates how a powerful auto trading solution like Golden Million EA can transform small deposits into significant profits. If you are interested in trying it out or want more information, you can contact us directly on Telegram and get this robot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and live results with Golden Million EA.